Hi, my name is Sam Perez. I'm a former DFA student. I came to Digital Film Academy about 2 years ago for the one-year program in filmmaking. After I finished the film school here, I decided to start making short films. Some of the classes that I took here at DFA, such as directing, producing, editing, were some of the keys in helping me make my short films. When I started making my second film, I decided to start hiring DFA students to help me out and to compensate them for their time and effort. My third DFA film we're actually shooting this weekend, and again I hired DFA students. In fact, almost all of my crew are former DFA alumni. I would definitely recommend the Digital Film Academy and the programs that they offer, especially the filmmaking, because it helps you prepare for what you're going to be doing when it comes to filmmaking, documentaries, and especially editing. As a military veteran, I felt a great support group here at the DFA, as there were several other veterans that I met. In addition, they helped a lot of us veterans out with getting housing, getting funding, getting our BAH straight, as well as getting the school paid for with the GI Bill. One of the biggest advantages of coming to the Digital Film Academy is the lifetime access that you have to their equipment. This is something that has helped me tremendously. It has saved me thousands of dollars. It's something that I would recommend to everybody, and I do. Everybody that I talk to about filmmaking and they tell me about going to film school, I always recommend to them go to DFA specifically for that reason.